For the first time, there's a product with employee and manager self-service that is user-friendly enough and intuitive enough that employees and managers will actually adopt it. Now, I could talk about their architecture for a long time, but 2 key points. All of Workday's development resources are devoted to extending and enhancing that product version. And that means that the speed with which they can add capability to the product is unrivaled by any of their competitors. The reporting environment and the transactional environment are combined in one, thanks to Workday's object-oriented architecture. This means that reports are up to date, to the minute, and also actionable immediately from the report. New versions of the product come out several times a year with no need for upgrade projects. There's a collaborative ecosystem of partners, customers, and Workday who all work together to make the product as good as it can be and to make implementations as easy as possible. So they're certainly quicker to value with fewer consultants, and generally projects take shorter time. The second thing is there's a Workday delivered methodology that all partners have to use. So only approved partners can work on implementation projects, and every consultant from every partner has to be certified on every new version of the product. There's less freedom to customize, but in our experience, it's rare that customers can't meet their needs through the configuration options available. One of the key issues is change management. A Workday implementation project is going to affect every employee at every level in the organisation. Communication appropriate to the different levels of the organisation and to the different roles that people play is absolutely key. Also, the HR function itself is likely to be transformed. People that have been doing a certain kind of work for years may find their work changing significantly or even disappearing, and that has to be handled with sensitivity. Customers nearly always overestimate the quality of their data. With the increased visibility and actionability of data in Workday, that becomes a critical issue. And data cleansing is very time-consuming. There's also the move to self-sufficiency. It's important when the project ends, the customer is able to be self-sufficient with Workday. That means being able to alter business processes, handle reorganizations, and load reference data like currency rates or holiday calendars into the system. A key aspect is testing. This is not testing of the Workday product as such, but all integrations and any business processes that have been configured by the customer or the implementation partner will need to be tested when new versions come along, or for integrations when either the source or target systems change. Luckily, we can help with Kainos' smart test automation tool, which enables you to run suites of regression tests with minimal effort and cut down the amount of time it takes to do testing within an implementation. We always start off by trying to understand the business drivers behind any company's desire to implement Workday, and we use those to inform our approach. Some customers may want a radical implementation of manager self-service involving a large-scale move of HR administration from the HR function to managers, whereas other companies will prefer minimal manager self-service. It's part of Kainos' DNA to do what it takes to make sure that customers are successful, and our Workday business unit is no different. We use our extensive project experience and our knowledge of the HR technology space to provide thought leadership and not just bums on seats. Finally, if customers want it, we provide a full post-life support service, leveraging our 25 years experience in supporting products at Kainos. Well, firstly, our HCM practice is dedicated to Workday. So you get no mixed messages, and we're 100% committed to our partnership with Workday. The second thing is our people. Our people are calm, they're skilled, they're committed, and they're internationally focused. Another crucial differentiator for us is our Kainos Smart Test Automation tool. It's a cloud-based SaaS product like Workday that can reduce manual testing by a factor of up to 50%. Finally, there's our consistent track record of customer endorsements. In that sense, again, we resemble Workday. You might not see Kainos sponsoring a golf tournament, but talk to any of our customers and you'll get a consistent message about the quality of our staff and our commitment to their success.